I'm just up on the embankment of the David Collins headstone. You literally just cross this bridge, and there's one of the signs is right here, and you come down the embankment, and so just as you cross right over here would be the Baker's Narrow Lodge on the other side of the highway. So it's just as you come across, and it's down here. So we're gonna go take a look. I've been looking for this headstone for literally years. Oh. So this is David Collins, founder of Flin Flon mine. There's also two other crosses here, and I might actually have to come back on another day and clean this up. But it's got a wire chain going around here, so it's encased. Who these other two markers are, I have no idea. Probably his family. But there's the David Collins stone. And it reads, David Collins died May 27th, 1931. The half-breed who showed the prospectors the Flin Flon ore body. His generous contribution to northern Canada will be eternally remembered by Kelly, Emily, and Lana Lee. Makonka, great-granddaughters, 1 Corinthians. Well, I'm really happy I found this. I am going to take some photos, pin the marker, and then maybe come back another day and clean this area out. So, talked to a number of people over the years. They've said they've seen it. Now I have as well. So I'm really happy. And this is located just south of Flin Flon, in the satellite community of Baker's Narrows, and I'm going to try and take some other waypoints. So I'm back outside the enclosure, and you can see the water right here, and the highway's just up here. So surprisingly, nobody maintains this little cemetery, considering this is literally the founder of the Flin Flon mine. But I'm glad I made it here today, and I'm going to probably come back another day and give this a really good cleaning. I got to go back home right now, but I'm glad I know where this is. And David Collins, you're not forgotten. There is a memorial in the town of Flin Flon for this gentleman, and so you can read up about him online. So again, this is Baker's West Channel. This is the road to Flin Flon. So it'd be on the right, the left-hand side on the road to Flin Flon. There's the channel, and it's a school bus stopping sign. And just as you go around this little bend, that's where I've looked before, where my truck's parked. So if you get to this sign, you're going to look down, and you're going to be able to see it. Right down there, you can see the wooden cross. So, anybody looking to find the David Collins memorial, that's where you'll find it. Again, this is the road to Flin Flon. That's the road to the Paw. That's Baker's West Channel. That's the school bus sign. And if you look down here, there's David Collins' grave. So, gonna head back now.